We're going to show you how to set up your brand new emergency medication cabinet that you purchased at wildmedkits.ca. So this is everything that comes in the kit when you purchase it from us. You get the cabinet itself with the 3 red Velcro anchor points. You're going to get the pocket mask with nitrile gloves in the hard case. You're going to get the emergency whistle that's attached to the cabinet with a string, 5 of the lockout tamper tags that are the quick release, a permanent marker to write the expiry date and the last check on the tamper tags, and the vinyl waterproof UV resistant label sheet. So these are the labels you can affix to the cabinet. We recommend affixing the emergency medication tag right to the top front of the cabinet, the whistle to the middle, and then whatever medications you're encompassing along the bottom, as well as the CPR mask. So that allows you to customize this kit for the medications you're going to carry. So let's show you how to set this cabinet up. So first of all, your pocket mask with gloves, it all fits within this hard case, so we can close that up. And then this attaches to the large loop at the bottom. So we're going to place that inside and then just cover it with the loop. And this just keeps it secured, so if we're opening the cabinets, get knocked around, it's not going to fall out. For the whistle here, we recommend attaching it to the bottom here. So let me just take it off and I'll show you. Super easy to do. So our emergency whistle, it's super loud. It comes on a string already, and all we do is we feed it through this metal loop on the bottom clasp. We open up the loop, feed the whistle back through it, and secure it. So this allows it to stay on the outside of the cabinet and be ready to use. So if someone accesses the kit, they can blow the whistle 3 times and let others know they need further assistance. Medications are not included with this kit, so you're going to have to secure those on your own. But if you do, just to show how it's set up, an EpiPen fits across the side right here, and again, secures with our strap, just like that. The inhaler is going to secure up top. So this will be your Ventolin salbutamol kind of rescue inhaler. And again, that just secures right there. And then if you're going to carry naloxone, it simply sits on the bottom shelf. So everything has a place, it's nice and organized, nice and visible. To close the cabinet up, the door just swings shut. Again, you can affix whichever labels to the front make sense to you. To secure the cabinet, you simply have these spring locks. So you just bring these pieces of metal over. They have a plastic catch there. And then you just pull down, and it has a nice audible securing, and you can do the same with the top. What we recommend doing with the whistle is open up your top securing buckle, bring your string across it, and then secure the string with that buckle. And this just allows that whistle to hang down so it's not too low and it's nice and visible. And again, once it opens, it will simply fall out nice and easy. So that's where we like to place the whistle. Again, setup is up to you, but I think that's just kind of the nice way to do it here. So we'll have that set up. To secure this to the wall, you have 2 anchor points at the top and 2 additional anchor points at the bottom. All you're going to do is put this up against the wall where you want to hang it. You can just use the permanent marker to mark the screw holes right there and there, and then drill, pre-drill, whatever you need to do for whatever material you're going through, and just screw it into the wall. So that's easy for attachment. For lockout, we have this little hole right here, and we include 5 of these lockout tags. Okay, so these are quick release. So I have one to demo here. So we've got one here. So what we can do with these tags is we can write the expiry date of whatever the first drug is to expire. So we're going to write 06/2026. So we got that right there. So you can simply write that on, close up our marker. And then to secure this, all we do is we feed this tag through the hole. So it simply feeds through the hole here. You bring this tag around and it feeds through its own little hole. And you can snug that up. So now at a quick pass by, you can see that your cabinet is secured. It has the last expiry date right there. But if someone wants to use it, all you do is just pull the tag and twist it. And it should, there we go, just break off. So now you can access the cabinet and access the contents nice and easily. I'm just gonna fold these up at the bottom here. So you can see everything is well secured inside. Again, then the lock zone just sits on the bottom, just like that, and everything's available to you. So that's an overview of the emergency medication cabinet you purchased at wildmedkits.ca.